detecting unpowered cable or metal pipe using transmitter and signal induction clamp. Power on the GAZELLE G9320 transmitter and connect the G9320 transmitter clamp. Then move at least 10 meters away from the transmitter and start scanning the area using the GAZELLE G9320 receiver. Enough distance between transmitters and locator is required to avoid interference between transmitter and receiver. Make sure that the frequency settings in the receiver is matching the set frequency in the transmitter. The GAZELLE G9320 receiver will display the cable location, direction, and depth. For more information, visit our website www.gazelleindustrial.com.